Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to draw lines in Autocad software. So I'll open software. I'll be using the Autocad 2020 version. If you're using some other version, that's okay. There are no major changes in any of the versions. And I'll click on start drawing from here, and I'm in a new drawing area as you can see here. So to say about the line command, it is available here in the draw panel. Got it? Now let us draw some lines, but before that, make sure you have the dynamic input option on. Now it is on because you can see that blue background color. So if it is off like this, you have to come to the dynamic input option and click on it. So it gets turned on. Got it? So if you're thinking why do I switch on the dynamic input option on? Because you can input all the required values beside the cursor or crosshair itself. You don't have to keep looking at the command line. Got it? So now let us come to the line command here. I click on it using the left mouse button and I come to the drawing area. So now it is asking specify the first point, as you can see beside the cursor or the crosshair. And also in the command line, you can see the same sentence. It is asking for the specify first point. So what you have to do is you have to enter the x and y coordinate values. So I'll enter 0 for the x coordinate value. I press the tab key now from the keyboard to go to the next box where I can enter the y coordinate value. So here also I enter the value as 0. Now press the enter. So now a line starts from the origin where the value of x and y coordinate is 0, 0. Got it? So now I have to enter the length of the line. So I'll enter maybe 25. So now again press the tab key from the keyboard to come to the angle box. So here you can enter the angle of the line. So I'll enter 45 degree. Now I press the enter key. So can you see we now have a line of length 25 unit and at an angle 45 degree. Got it? Now as you can see the line command is still running and I can draw few more lines if I want. So if I want to stop, I can just right click using the mouse and click on enter, or else you can press the escape key. So I'll click on enter now. So just imagine you want to start the line command again. So you don't have to come to the line command again. You can just press the space bar from the keyboard or the enter key. So I'll press the space bar now. So as you can see, the line command is active now. So basically what is happening is when you press the space bar, it will repeat the last command that you just used. Got it? I'll click on escape now, and you can also right click on the drawing area and click on the first option. Now here it is repeat line because line is the recently used command. So if you have used some other command, it will appear as repeat and that particular command, and you can click on that to repeat the same command, and you don't have to go and click it from here. Got it? So I hope you understood how to use the line command. If you have any doubt, please comment below. Thank you.